Hello, I'm in a 2018 Chevy Equinox, and today I'm going to show you how to connect your phone's Bluetooth to your vehicle interface. So first you start your vehicle so everything's loaded. And then from here we can click phone here or phone down here. And there's a limited number of devices you can have stored, so you might need to delete one first before you can add a new one. But we'll search device. And then from here make sure your Bluetooth's turned on your phone. And often if you press and hold it, it'll pull up your pairing menu. So from here, we'll just watch for it to pop up. It might take a few minutes, sometimes a few tries of restarting your phone and whatnot. And it is showing it on here, so you could also try from your vehicle screen as well. But otherwise it should pop up here at some point. And these random numbers do match. And you can sync up your call history, messages, things like that as well. This makes it a little easier to take calls while you drive. So we'll pair. And then we'll also confirm, yes, this is the phone and this did match. And you should be set. So now we're all synced up. So now you can take phone calls, listen to music, things like that. And if some newer models, you can also sync up maps. So if you go to audio and we do source, we can go to your Bluetooth. And then in your Bluetooth here, if it's not working, just double check that your volume's on your phone and your music's playing. And then also double check that the volume's on here. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.